So, good morning. I just had breakfast. Ampalaya Mongos Automatic Carinderia. Now, I checked my itinerary. I probably go to one of the oldest church here.
Head northwest.
It is 1884 na establish ng Spanish. So, we're gonna go there. It's like 15 minutes drive. And then, near that, may falls na rin. So, today is gonna be a blessed day, first day. Woo! Okay, we're here in the oldest church of Siquijor. So let's go and walk the oldest church here in Siquijor. Hello, good morning. Hello. Are you guys touring here or you're guys from here? Tour. Oh, nice. Where are you guys from?
Manila.
Ah, Manila. Tagalog pala kayo. Okay. Tapos, so hello brothers and sister, na ako karon sa San Isidro sa Siquijor, one of the oldest na church dire. Brother, naman di mga brother dire. Oh, brother, bless and love. Ikaw na mo? Wala pa, kaon para di mo ma brother.